Do you struggle with excess body fat and feel like no matter what you do it won't disappear? Do you wish you knew the best exercises to kickstart your metabolism and get you burning fat fast? If so, make sure you pay close attention to this video because inside you will discover the best exercises for women to lose weight that can be done at home. 1. Lunges. The plain forward lunge is great for weight loss as it activates many muscles at once for maximum calorie burning: glutes, quads and hamstrings. To perform a lunge, stand up straight with your feet at hip width apart. Place both of your hands on your hips, and step forward with your right leg. Whilst keeping your spine up straight, continue lowering yourself forward until your front and back leg are at a 90-degree angle. Pause at the bottom just before your back knee touches the ground, then extend your right leg coming back up to the start. Do the same thing again, this time with your left leg. Do 10 reps on each side. Do a total of 3 sets of 10 reps per side. 2. Burpees. Burpees are a great exercise to kick fat burning into gear because they target your core, chest and legs all at the same time, burning a large amount of calories in a short amount of time. To perform a burpee, stand with your feet at shoulder width apart, with your arms by your sides. Push your hips back, and bend your knees, lowering into a squat. Put your hands down on the floor directly in front of you and bring your weight off your feet onto your hands. Jump backwards with your feet so that you land in the plank position. Now reverse this movement by jumping up and bring your feet forwards again into a squat, while you bring your hands up off the ground. Now reach your hands up and jump explosively into the air. As you land, immediately start lowering yourself down again into a squat and begin the next rep. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 3. Explosive lunges. High-intensity exercises such as the explosive lunge will kick your metabolism into gear while burning major calories at the same time. To perform an explosive lunge, start standing with your feet together with your hands on your hips. Step forward with your right leg and bend until it is at a 90-degree angle. Now jump up on the spot and switch your legs in mid-air, so that your left leg is now lunged forward. Repeat these jumping lunges, swapping legs each time you jump. Do this for 1 minute without stopping. Repeat for a total of 3 one-minute sets. Do this quick yet powerful home workout at least 3 times a week to kickstart your metabolism and start burning fat. If you're serious about burning your stubborn body fat fast, and would like to discover the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, then go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below. Inside this free video, you will discover how Sharon, a 43-year-old overweight mom from St. Louis, Missouri, dropped 41 pounds of stubborn belly fat by cutting out one veggie from her diet. To watch the free video, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below right now.